This is an International B414 from the 60s, about 64 I think. I just put a new water pump in. The way I did it was I took the fan, the 4 bolts that hold the fan on. I reached round and undid them and took the fan off. To get it out, you've got to do the alternator. You see down there I've got a shiny new bolt. The alloy of the dynamo, sorry, not alternator. The alloy gets rusted to the bolt, so that's snapped, so maybe be careful or heat that. And the other was seized as well, so it's not a quick job. I did the bottom hose whilst I was there. The top hose doesn't attach to the pump. Just down there, you can see where this torch is shining, there's a little plug there, which I presume is for a coolant sensor, because this one doesn't have one. The original doesn't have one. I put a whole new unit on because there wasn't much in it price wise, but you've got to have a hydraulic press, I think, to put these. I've never done one. We got a hydraulic press to push them in and out, and I haven't got one. So but annoyingly, this dynamo belt, you buy them in alternator or dynamo types of water pumps, and where I'm shining the light there, the belt, the new belt, rubs. It's rubbing the back of the, probably can't see it, but see the different slight colour on the left hand side. It's rubbing quite heavily on there. Interestingly, I looked at the original there, and you can just see where I'm shining the light on and off. You can see there's a little mark there. Well, that rubs on there too. So this is a aftermarket part. Sparex or Sparex, depending on how you say it. But it appears that they've copied the original, which was possibly wrong, so it rubs. So expect that to happen, or use an old belt, or I don't know, get a different belt. But that's the belt that they're supplied for the machine by a parts supplier. So anyway, if anybody wants to comment on whether that bung down there is for a coolant temp sensor, let me know. Or there's a few tips on a B414. There's the blank where the coolant sensor would be in a later model, I presume, but I might do that. This is a bit annoying because trying to get this all apart one day, the oil sensor has a solid pipe and things need to come undone, and you know what it's like with old things, sometimes they snap. Okay, cheers, bye.